Hello, Madam Assisama Kamu, African Professor, Mom speaks person, Chief Linguist, African Professor, and Nekasan, about African Professor, one unfiltered platform. So, and any day they come back platform now, subscribe, yeah, but modern subscribe, share, hit notification bell, anytime be I may upload a new video, no, on Sabe can be tea, but modern like it, you spread the message, everywhere. It's very, very informative and educational. And it's more open-minded and fair-minded in a way. Until you'll be a fair-minded person, and I said you have something substantive intellectually to contribute to that skill. But say higher over for the attempt insinuation in trap, sarcasm, sarcastic comments near the idea. This is a wrong place to come. One more time, we African Professor One unfiltered. Yan son be asking me and me until me and then the topic and me say stop your ignorance. Here is why Asantes did not join the Gold Coast independence struggle in the beginning. In the earlier stages, Asantes were not interested or were, kind of a little bit apathetic towards the struggle for Gold Coast independence, turning to Ghana. And then they were not in the beginning, And I say, stop the ignorance. If you don't know, let somebody explain it to you. Don't just say Asante for Oman fighting independence. Yeah, Oman maybe Oman can't be. I'm going to explain it. But answer the message. I say this is what I want to tell my viewers, my audience, or anybody who want to comment on my videos, either present or past videos. Maybe how do they be? I come and say it's freestyle. It's freestyle. I talk about a range of issues. Even though say we make us a central theme and that's a topic in here. Stop your ignorance. Here is why Asantes did not join the Gold Coast independence struggle in the beginning, in the initial stages. Now, even though somebody was a central theme topic, I still will talk about a range of issues involving geopolitical, economic, social, cultural, everything. That is what I want this particular platform to be. I'm not part of those. Mine is kind of different. I want it to be different, unique, until I do the things in unconventional way. And to say, what is the main topic of this, that? You get lost because me say it's freestyle. Freestyle means it doesn't matter. I say be a topic, be a visa, cause of Ghana and sub-Saharan Africa. I talk about it. That's what this platform is about. Don't bother yourself and keep on saying the same thing, same old. Oh yes, I say it make me conclude say be our comprehension level kind of low. And that's what it is. I'm open to constructive critiques, feedback, and everything. No one is perfect. I don't have answers to everything. I don't know everything. But what I mean is comment here. No insinuation, no insult. That is not what this platform is about. So one more time. African Professor on Fete, spokesperson there, because I say that my topic, me say, stop the ignorance or your ignorance. Here is why Asantes did not join the Gold Coast struggle for independence in the initial or in the beginning. Okay, so Biana Metete, maybe create Tremu or Safu Mafu, NPP or Safu Mafu, senior presidential advisor, or can we say then maybe or can we say Asante for Tema Ghana, Gold Coast struggle for independence, Asante for prominent Asante for, and I say, Oman take part. That's true. But what making that assertion, that flawed or say baseless assertion, didn't tell people, and I said didn't explain to people. They say by the time na Ghana and na Goku struggle for independence, at that time, na Asante no man gaining internal independence. So 1935. Tamwa, if I say Prempeh the first buyer 24 no as 25th woo year, a friend say Nana Agyeman-Prempeh say Agyeman-Prempeh the second a bit 35 and a Britain. That time 74 ni Britain for their bosses since 1902. Eventually 35 and a British allow so finally they allowed the restoration of the Asante Confederation in 1935 under Prempeh the second. They allowed that, they restore the Asante Confederacy in 1935 under Osei Agyeman-Prempeh. And internally, nature say more or less, na Asantes were the only people in the whole Gokus, no, then say Gokus in the colony, no Muslim never form. But when first say the whole Ghana, not then Gokus, no. Now Asantes were already independent, no more fighting for independence. Long time when Abrafuya Kusa, so many, almost trauma Abrafu in the Omoso. And eventually, 35, and Abrafuno, and the Asantes independent amount. Now Asantes, remember this, almost come for side independence, only Britain come for independence. Now most of these tribes, many other people, in other group of people in Dengokus, no more sign born of 1844, almost person, Britain, almost invited British forces, Britain, and colonizing on Britain, New almost. Now Asantes were not part of that. And the woman distort to history say Asantefo you say Asantefo true say omo tra e ma abrofo kosi broni ko broni e medi omo so. They didn't do that. And to many abrofo no Asantewa to 1900 some coin chino the Kosishe Islands near that the Osei Agyeman-Prempeh the first Nana Agyeman-Prempeh the first call to still the Asantes were still resisting the colonial rule. Until 1844, born of 1844, Tama, other tribes near the Kwashashiano. Even though say Eastern region, elites in 24 political leaders near that, Oman signed born of 1844, but still they invited the British to colonize them. And then they also helped the British to colonize Asantes, the Eastern region. And all those things were happening. And listen to this, Mutini, and other tribes, been more condo and conniving with the British. Say, quite much less, Fasoma, Asantes, Abrafun Abedi Omosono. And no more yet. And the Asante for fighting for more independence that I done. That they didn't get any help from anybody in the then Gokus. Mutiani, Eti, Sa Anti, Samim Kwama fighting for me, fan hoodie, Menkwame Kono, or Menu be a manam. Mukra no so other tribes no bebre no so no mo so omo kire omo condo anase omo aiding and abetting with the British some fa ekwan fast including the Eastern region the Eastern region they all helping the British to colonize Asantes. Say Asante's resistance near that thing, so it's Asante for your independence 1935 now all the way down, so 1949, 14 years independence struggle near Kessinia. Now Asantes, there was no need for them to be part of that independence struggle because already, getting home independence internally, so that. Independence, that was true. And to me, my independence, I didn't think I was fighting for independence. Kodaki for Abrofono, Omu, Eddie independence, Amayano. Say, was somewhere independent or wherever it is. Now, Otumfo, Asantehene is like the head or the prime of the Asante, confederation. That's what it is. And the other tribes, a bad pointer, and Kumanumuni at the banning, Omu fighting for independence. Then there was no need. And the time Asantefo, Nana Osei Agyeman-Prempeh, I feel more interested, say, they will fully participate in the struggle for independence was Sa Corsa Constitution, the Corsa Committee, formal committee, and the Corsa, one say Henry Corsa, and the on the time, and on the lay basis for the Constitution and for the independence of in 1957, that Corsa committee, recommendation, and another committee, and the lay foundation for the independence of Ghana. To create constitution, Corsa constitution near that time, and also Osei Agyeman-Prempeh, and who say independence, Gokus independent overall, the whole country independence, where he say take shape, and the mass for the Mujemu. But prior to that, now we didn't. Asante Penifoni, they don't want to be part of those struggle for independence because independence and I'm fighting. Say apɛ independence yɛnyɛ obi amana amoa mokura so bebre other tribes no mu kyerɛ kwan a mfa so abrɔfo mfa so a mbaba be defeat Asantefo anase colonize here, including the eastern region people. And obi tinche no ka se ɛna Asantefo kura yɛkɔ for independence ɔma for mo amagimbi they say ya meboa anase anyemi nso somewhere pɛsie you take the lion's share of the country. No, that is the distortion. That's a grave distortion of history. The reason Asantefo from Mwangi independent struggle in the beginning was because Asante was already independent. They have already 1935 and a Britain TSA and will restore Asante Confederation. It's more or less now Asante was independent. They have the internal self-autonomy that are independent since 1935. Asante in the head. You see? It is hard to Nina Tinasa, Ada JB down Conmuni, Ada Kumanumu, try pursue or Agyeman-Prempeh, Ama, the now Agyeman-Prempeh the second and come because Asante, the territory near Asasio so huge. True conquest. And until 1949, after the rout of 1948, I see a chief, the so-called Big Six. He said that it was Accra. Now then it happened in the whole country. Right when it happened in Accra. And to those people no more fighting, no more Accra. And Kuma was there, JB Duncan, and he achieved. That doesn't mean say 6 for na achieve. Omu Kwan and they struggle. Omu leading, say proponent of Ghana. But there was a whole bunch of them out there. I just said, now they happen not to be in Accra. And it didn't achieve. And 6 next year doesn't necessarily mean say and they leading for them. No, it was just one of the exaggerations of history. And that's what it is. And the point me can when you know say some come see a freestyle and I talk about a whole range of issues. But see, so don't talk out of ignorance. Say it be somehow Asantefo omono amafo nyina struggle help for independence. No there. Because no one independent. And no more fighting for independence. I brought for no the official. Asantefo be brainy other than anybody from Eastern region, coastal area, honey other to help them. You see, only the northern territory for only be near some the part of the Togo land territory, been an help was and the other said other uniform be a help and he me fighting for independent woman boamia. Now fight with you. What do you expect me to do? And that's the reason why in the beginning, not Ghana was Goku's war, struggling for independence as Asantefo County. It was only after 1948 route now formal Sarkosa committee ordinary recommendation by critic constitution a lay foundation for the independence in 1957. That was the time Nana Agyeman-Prempeh II and mobilized Asantefo now for struggle for independence. So and then a CP, you see. And one of the reasons Nana Asantehene in the Ghana laws and as a statute you see Asantehene and the Parliament chiefs, and that was Nkrumah's idea because Nkrumah knew. Osajifo Nkrumah knew, say the position was Asantehene was so huge. He owned a whole bunch of territories in the country. As you see, a whole bunch of them. And it's a whole person with the land in Masashi in account Goku's colony no never from Mokakra. What do you expect me to do? Me see the BBA without a Ibikra. And Tina Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. And Osajifo Nkra, na no Agyeman-Prempeh, and a deal Osajifo title, Emma Nkrumah. And it will be uncomfortable some more. Musoya Musi Asantefo tribalistic near Osajifo the title Osajifo, and now Agyeman-Prempeh and a demand Nkrumah. Mumusha Nkrumah Sani Maho, Samir near on a demand. Me come when you know Marcus say Asante played prominent role in the struggle for independence. But the beginning, Asante wasn't part of it because now Asante for again independent. No deal also since from 1935, Britain is decided some do restore confederacy among. That's internally not something where, and almost struggle for independent woman you'll be a more in the beginning, Now Kumanumni, JB down economy had identified it for him. Now there was no need for Asantes to be part of it because you're getting independence until Corsa Committee in 1949. Almost 4 more recommendation by near that then for prominent independent struggle. I said Kumanumni had were able to persuade Nana Asantehene Osei Agyeman-Prempeh II and when I say and back John 49 and the mind independence it take a hold. Struggle to take a hold. And see, that is what the story was. And you would think, oh, you're ignorant now, new history. And that's what people distort to history. Don't do it. But these are some of the real reason and also facts. Asante for in the beginning, they wasn't part of the struggle for independence, but they played a prominent role. And so the Asantehene and the paramount chief, and Nkrumah look at the unique position of Nana Asantehene. And then as I see near the idea of city into Goku's attending into Ghana. That was the reason he said, you're a live president, for the National House of Chiefs. Until, some chiefs started making complaints and near the dinner. I feel me, a friend say, a champion, as a son, on crown consult to Opokuare, and Opokuare the second, almost say, me, crime and pest hiding. But in far headquarters and Mrekumas. That is what it is. That was the beginning. Nana Asantehene and the paramount chief, it started from Nkrumah time. And Nkrumah was the one, Nkrumah's idea, and the live president, a man, as National House of Chiefs, a man Asantehene. That was a fact. Those are the facts. And Sanity, and one more time, Nkrumah says, stop your ignorance. Here is why Asantes did not join the Goku struggle for independence in the beginning. And one more time, we African Professor, subscribe, share with friends and family. I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.